Don't know what's going on over here. Yeah, looks like the guy's absolutely plastered. So welcome back to a brand new video, and it's I'm just in HANLEY at the minute and we've got sirens already. Can you believe it? But it's Wednesday the 26th of March and it's about 3:15 here in the afternoon, and it's a gorgeous afternoon here just in the Smithfield area. And what I'm going to do, God, this is an ambulance anyway. But what we're going to do on this video is we're going to have a look at the demolition of the Olympus engineering building, and we'll have a look at the old Falcon Works as well, see where they're up to with that one. But just outside where the Smithfield car park is, the £15 million car park that they built here in HANLEY. Yeah, one or two cars actually on it today. But yeah, we'll just cross the road here and we'll head on up to the old Olympus engineering, see what they're doing with the site, see if they've made a start of the demolition. So yeah, if you were aware last week when I filmed, I wasn't feeling 100%, and I'm actually feeling a bit worse, to be fair, today. I don't know what I'm going to be like tomorrow, hopefully a bit better. But yeah, it's this mucus cold, it's now gone into my head and affecting my throat, so yeah, my throat might not be very good on this video. But yeah, we'll just head on up the bank and past the church here and onto the old Olympus engineering site. Don't know what's going on over here. Yeah, it looks like the guy's absolutely plastered. But yeah, we'll carry on up here, and got the road closed signs, and yeah, I don't know if he's plastered or he's been on some drugs or something. I don't know. The lady that's attending to him has got the police uniform on, but I don't know. They're trying to get him inside that car, but it just looks like he's a dead weight. But yeah, well, as I say, we've got these no through roads and road ahead closed signs here, so they must be doing something down here. We'll go and have a look. So the trolley that I filmed here a couple of weeks ago still remains here, still the same, but we'll go down the back ways first. Yeah, so I did find a bit more information on about the building itself, and yeah, it's been shut for about 20 years actually, this building, and yeah, the council bought it. So yeah, we can see inside it now. Not this wall down here. Just told the guy what I'm doing. So he is over there. But yeah, this is the site of the old Olympus engines building, and yeah, I don't know how old the building actually is. But, yeah, they've knocked this side wall down, and yeah, it seems quite quiet on site. There's maybe on the break or something. There's nothing, no action actually happening inside the site. They've got these diggers, but you can see where they've carved into it here. And, yeah, look at that there. Yeah, it's quite don't think it's going to take very long to take this down, this one. You see this big metal canopy's completely gone already. But yeah, the road is actually got these up as well, so yeah, that's due to the noise, I think. But got this door here, just being go above it actually. So yeah, and this is the road that we walked down a few weeks ago, and yeah, it's all going. The old Olympus engineering site. Perhaps you worked in the factory here. Looks like it had 2 floors. And the main warehouse. We'll head on round. So yeah, there's another view of the site. And yeah, they've carved into it there. But the rest of the building looks is still up actually. It's just this front piece where they've taken the wall down up to now. But these things are, you have to take these things very slowly because you have to recycle the bricks, so they have to put all the bricks to one side and recycle the bricks. So it's going to be a slow process, this one actually, I should imagine, because it is quite a big building. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how quick they get done with this. They've got the road up here shut for 12 weeks, so yeah, they started on Monday the 24th of March 2025. Looks like they're just starting up again actually. See where they've ripped that that girder out that was holding the roof, and they're actually just starting with some action, so yeah, we'll have a watch of this. I'll just head on up here and see what they're gonna do. Plane's just gone over the top of it. Yeah, it's going to be a slow process, this one. So we've just been having a bit of a break when we first come, as I said. And they have got another one here as well. That one's look at the minute. Can't really see much because I'm having to hold my phone up in the air over the top of this fencing. So I'm watching it through the camera. That's holding the roof up here actually. So yeah, he's trying to pull that away, so we might see the roof go down here. The workers here, well, the worker I spoke to didn't realise what was happening with the actual site, so yeah, it is going to become housing actually. Say it is owned by the council. He's just ripped that metal girder, look at that, just chewing it, unbelievable. amazing what they can do with these things. And yeah, look at that. Amazing. All that stonework's just come down. What a dust in there. Inside there. Just pulling that metal girder. We've got some action. Back end of it to be fair. Just trying to show you. It's EMD Demolition that's doing this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the other side and see what else we can see. So as we walk around here, you can see it's changed quite a bit with that canopy now gone. But it's quite hard to film the action because you've got the wall on that side, so you can't really see a lot. But yeah. Oh, we've got the other one going up now. It's all happening. And it looks like he's picking that metal girder up that he just dropped before. Put it into the metal recycling bin, so we're going to get a good view of this with a bit of luck. Yeah, there it is. Perhaps we'll get a better view around the corner. As I say, you can't really see a lot, to be fair. Oh, we've got that metal pipe there. Look at that. Oh, it's plastic. That must be the plastic pile there. I'll just drop that onto the shore. Yeah, onto there. And you can see the other one is carving into the brickwork and the foundation. There. It's like it's an old bench or something now. Or wires. I don't know what there. Yeah, it's quite incredible what these can do, these machines. So once again, as I come round here, the birds are having a good feed. There's loads of them. Yeah, they've carved in that bit up there. I'm not sure why. Yeah, just dangling in the air there. Yeah, these things are such a shame if you've worked here in the past to see this happen. As I bet there's a lot of happy memories for some people that have worked here. But all things come to an end eventually. And this one's is coming to an end, and both footpaths are actually closed here. So we can't actually walk around at all on this way. But yeah, See there, that one's like the one that's picking all the stuff up and putting it into different piles for recycling. But yeah, see up there, there's like a stairwell up there. Yeah, we'll just head on round and go back round to that first view that we saw. Now there's a bit of action. This is picking something up now here. Well, I'll just see what this is. It is certainly grabbing something from me. See what he grabs here. What's this? I wonder. These guys have done this many times, you can see that. And, yeah, he's actually just getting out of it now. Yeah, I don't know. I thought he was going to pick that up, but he hasn't. Maybe that's the place where they leave it like that, I don't know. Yeah, he's just delving in there. So, yeah, he'll empty all that lot out now and bit by bit and eventually make his way in. See that they've taken that metal framework out there. Half left. There's only me around here watching it. Everyone else is just walking past like it's a normal thing. Yeah, these things don't happen every day, do they? We'll leave them to it, and yeah, we'll head on round here, and we'll head on down to the old Falcon Works. And look down here on the back of this, the wall of this house has got Foster Builders and Phones. That's the old signage. The old advertisement on the houses, and that looks like some kind of an extractor fan here. So, yeah, you can hear him carving his way through, and the plane there just going over the top, coming back round again. So yeah, we're going to leave this one here and we'll head on back round and head on, let's see what's going on there, the old Falcon Works, that demolition over there. And yeah, we'll just have a look here as well. Yeah, there's no change there. So yeah, these houses look a bit worse for wear, I must admit. So yeah, I just quickly spoke to one of the builders there, and he said it's down for 12 weeks, but as soon as the building is down, the road will be open again, and things will be back to normality. Yeah, the usual back alley with the mattresses, the normal behaviour of people around here. So I'll just give you a bit of information about the Falcon Works. J.H. Weatherby and Sons, established in Tunstall, May 1891. Moved to the old Falcon Pottery site in HANLEY in 1892. Over the years, the company produced high quality earthenware, hotelware and tableware, employing up to 200 people at its peak. However, intense competition, shifting markets and unresolved planning issues led to its closure in the year 2000. Since then, the site has remained derelict with a partial roof collapse, and in 2012 the loss of its iconic bottle kiln due to the lack of maintenance. There's always one, isn't there, with a flash car. Yeah, it's been ordered to pull it down by section 78, so due to the squatters and the damage to the business, basically the factory. Yeah, just around where the old bus stop is and the new bus stop, and just gonna go down here and have a look at this. Down here was Chinese medical and skin centre, and Mr. Barber shop. It's like somebody's tried to have a fire on that one. But, yeah, if I look around the back of this one here, it's like a meadow. I'll carry on down here, just have a look what it's like down the rest of this way. So, yeah. 5 Towns Home Rental Supplies. I think it just comes to a dead end, to be honest. Some birds and rustling around. Lovely day today. Yeah, nice and warm as well this afternoon. Yeah, so we can get this way, and this part's all fenced off here. Yeah, we were here the other week. This is a car park, which was where they had that Wonderland, and the Winter Wonderland comes here as well. It's just an empty piece of land. See the walls give way here. Somebody's must have smacked it with a car, perhaps just around the back of Iceland. This site here used to be the old Etruscan car park, the multi-storey car park, which they knocked down to build that other car park in HANLEY, the £15 million one. It's just an empty site now. Yeah, this used to be the entrance to the car park we just mentioned about, the Etruscan car park. I say it's just a empty wasteland now. It's been like this for a couple of years. So there's a fair bit of crap down there. Right on it's the old Falcon Works, I think. Does anyone like any tomatoes? Just rolling down the car park here. So yeah, I just come across this little place as well. To see what's happening with this one. It looks like an old house, perhaps. But, yeah. See the roof's gone there. Not gonna get too close to it because it could cave in. Yeah, it's definitely a house at some point, this one. It's all boarded up. Yeah. Trying to stop people from getting in, aren't we? And some crap here as well. Yeah. These boards have been down for years, haven't they? By the looks of it. So we're just making us way around now to where the old Falcon Works site was. As I say, this has been here since 1892. So many years of history. The site's been shut down since 2000 and under a section 78 order it's now having to be demolished, and nobody knows what's going to happen with the site after, but around here it's still a bit of a mess. You see these trees are now starting to grow, and got police sirens going around here in HANLEY, and yeah, they've actually cornered. No, they haven't. I thought they'd cornered a piece off here. But, they haven't yet. And yeah, it's very much the same around here. Right mess. And nothing changes, does it really? But, yeah, it doesn't look like there's much change to the site. And it doesn't look like there's any action going on at all. We'll head on round in a minute, but yeah, as I say, there's not a huge change. It was only a couple of weeks ago when we last came round here, and yeah, not a huge change really, as I say. And the last time I came here, I poked my phone through there, through that window there. But, yeah, you know, the birds chirping in the factory here. But yeah, it's doesn't look like there's much change, to be honest. And we'll go around the front, see if anything's happening around the front. But, some of you will be happy that this is gone, as it's been a bit of an eyesore, just been left abandoned for years. But some of you will be sad to see it go, because it's obviously history gone. But what they are doing is they are keeping the bottle kiln, which is inside the factory. The old bottle kiln, which is just there. So yeah, but we've got this huge wagon here, which I'm not too sure what's going on. And we've got a digger, and there's nothing saying why I'm not allowed up this way, so but they fenced it off there. A bit strange. But, yeah, we'll go have a look, see if we can get round to that front part past this wagon here. So I should imagine that the wagons come here to pick the bricks up, perhaps. But they've got all these old car tyres as well. They must have been dumped inside there at some point, so they've had to get them out. But this guy here just looks like he's doing a bit of clearing on the digger. So there's no demolition happening really, and it doesn't look like there's been much change. Yeah, I think that building wasn't like that when we were last here, so I think they've crunched into that building now. I think that's now gone, but that one still remains the same as it was when we were last here. And I say that's the bottle kiln, which is going to be staying. It's just got a ton of bricks on it at the minute, but yeah, what we'll do is we'll leave it there, folks. I'd say there's not much change. Yeah, this church here has been here since 1860. I'm sure that can tell a few stories. But we'll head on back into HANLEY. There's another part I just want to show you before we end this video. But, we've got the Golden Cup Inn, and looks very smart on the outside, this one. So this is the quadrant here, and this is going to be set for demolition very soon as well. And yeah, what they're going to do is they're going to build some they're going to knock it down and build a car park for 16 electric cars, so you'll only be able to park here if you've got an electric car. So that's going to come down very, very soon as well, that one. So yeah, this is the quadrant here. So it's going to go very, very soon, and it's just an empty outlet shop inside. But yeah, this is what it looks like round the back here. And I say this is going to go very soon. It's going to be history in the next few weeks, I think. I'm just in the Pottery Centre, and this is down by where the old TK Maxx used to be. Who remembers that? But, yeah, we'll just go outside here and have a look at what it's like here. And this is where the restaurants, they built this not so long ago, and the Cineworld here. And look how empty it is. There's not many people around at all, is there? And there used to be lots of little restaurants here, Nando's, and you've got an extraordinary view of Stoke-on-Trent when we look here. Bottle kiln down there. But, yeah, as we come down here, as I say, there's a few empty restaurants now, and I think there's 3 out of the 8 that were originally here. It's Confessional, Nando's. It might be just the 2 actually. Yeah, it looks like it could be just 2 restaurants out of all the restaurants that were down here. And this was a thriving place when it first opened a few years ago. Frankie's and Benny's was here, and it's now gone. And this is Dough and Co. That's gone. Confessional still remains. Not sure what that one was. I think that was Tico. That's gone. Bompanasia still remains at the top, mind. And this one here sold fajitas, grills, salads and burgers, ribs, pizzas, pasta, fajitas, grills. Yeah, I don't know what this was now. Can't remember. But the Cineworld's still going here. Peach Data Services PLC. And yeah, it looks like this has been empty for a while. See all the weeds growing at the back there. So yeah, I wonder what this did. And this is just by the Cineworld. And when they built the Cineworld, there was a car park, an overspill car park to the Pottery Centre, and I wonder if this was it. I don't know. But yeah, they had to build onto the land what they had. I don't know what was here before, but it's a bit of a crap hole now. Look at this. and it says a danger construction site. So yeah, and if people can get in here, they'll just dump rubbish willy-nilly. That's the problem with these open spaces. See the crap everywhere. So just walked past Nando's and it's completely empty. But I'm going to leave you on this video here, and if you have liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. So goodbye from me, and goodbye.